Do you dread having difficult conversations? Maybe setting a boundary with a coworker, bringing up something uncomfortable with a loved one, or addressing a misunderstanding. Tough conversations can feel overwhelming, but what if there was a way to approach them with more confidence and clarity? Nonviolent communication, or NVC, is an approach to communication developed by Marshall Rosenberg. It can be used in many different kinds of situations, and it focuses on empathizing and understanding. Now, nonviolent communication can help you navigate tough conversations without escalating conflict or feeling like you have to win. By the end of this video, you'll have a simple yet powerful strategy to express your thoughts and feelings in a way that promotes understanding instead of arguments. And so, when might you use NVC? Well, it can be used in a variety of situations. One time that's great to use it is when setting boundaries. So maybe you're telling a friend you can't always be available to help at the last minute. Another time is when giving feedback. So it could be at work or in relationships when something isn't working for you. It's also useful for resolving conflicts. So when someone has hurt your feelings, but you don't want to create more tension. And it's helpful when asking for what you need. So maybe you're requesting emotional support without feeling needy. The method works in personal relationships, professional settings, and any kind of everyday interaction where you want to communicate clearly and effectively. Now, the NVC process is 4 steps. The first step is observing. So state the facts, not judgments. So instead of saying, "You're always on your phone," try, "When I talk about my day, I notice that you're looking at your phone." The second part is feelings. So express how something affects you personally. Instead of, "You don't care about me," try, "I feel disconnected when I don't feel heard." The third part is needs. Identify what you really need in the situation. So instead of, "You should know that I need your attention," try, "I need to feel valued in our conversations." And the fourth step is requests. So make a clear, doable ask without demanding. Instead of saying, "You need to change," try, "Would you be open to putting your phone away for 5 minutes when we talk?" Notice the focus on I statements. So instead of blaming or pointing out shortcomings, I statements help you plainly and fairly express yourself. Now, there are some common mistakes to avoid when trying this process. One is confusing feelings with thoughts. So if you say, "I feel like you don't respect me," that's actually a thought, not a feeling. So try, "I feel hurt." Another mistake is making demands instead of requests. "You have to listen to me," versus, "Can we set aside some uninterrupted time to talk?" Another mistake is blaming instead of observing. "You never help," versus, "I noticed I've been doing the dishes every night." So what if the other person doesn't respond well to this? Well, not everybody will immediately engage in this process. Some might act defensively. If that happens, stay calm. Don't mirror their defensiveness. So if they say you're overreacting, instead of arguing, try, "I just wanted to share how I feel and find a way to make this better for both of us." Pause and reflect before reacting emotionally. Asking open-ended questions to shift the focus back to understanding each other is very helpful. So it sounds like you see this differently. Can you tell me more about that and how it makes you feel? So if you want to actually give this a try in your life, remember a few simple things. So use the 4 steps: observing, feeling, needs, requests. Try to avoid those common mistakes which might lead to conflict. And be patient if the other person isn't receptive. Now, this is a really valuable tool for effective communication, and even having a basic knowledge of the skill is beneficial, and it can help minimize some of the anxiety that might be present in tense moments in your life. So the next time you find yourself having a difficult conversation, try it out. Share a comment below about your experience using it. And if you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tools to communicate with clarity and confidence.